Guys, I didn't understand Samke. Samke, she is saying she is lazy. She doesn't want to work. Guys, you know that Samke, she is going to stay with the Musam Seleku in a main house. You understand? And she doesn't want to work. She is very lazy. You know that Ama 2000, they don't want to work. You understand? And Samke, she is very young. Guys, Samkeshi is going to struggle because she is the one who can take care of Musamseleko because she is going to stay in a main house. You understand? She is going to stay in a main house with Musamseleko. You know that Musamseleko is the one who was staying in a main house. And she is going to take care of Musamseleko with everything. You understand? She is going to do everything, and she says she doesn't want to work. She is very lazy, and you can see here that girl, she is very lazy. She doesn't want to work. You understand it? But it's going to force here because the friendship with Macele, it will be end. You understand? Because now Macele, she is in a friendship with her, but you will see it at the end. You will see that they will become enemies because, guys, Macele, when she was at Muzumbe, Macele is the one who was at the main house with the Musamseleko. You understand? But now Samkeshi is going to stay with the Musamseleko in a main house. We don't know other wives because the other wives, they have got duties to go to into a main house with the Musamseleko. But now Samke is the one who is going to stay with the Musamseleko in a main house. We don't understand it because the guys, maybe Musamseleko, he will go to Makumalo and Mayeni's house to sleep there because now Samke, she is now there at the main house. You understand it? But Samke, she is going to have a lot of work. She is going to take care of Musamseleko full time. You understand it? Full time is different than other wives because Makumalo, Mayeni, Mangwabe, they are staying at their houses. It's especially Mayeni because Macele, she is not staying at Mzumbe. Macele, she is staying at Sipak. It's far from Zumbi. You understand it? But Samke, she is going to stay in a main house, and she's saying she doesn't like to work too much. She is going to cook, to wash. She is going to do everything to for Musamseleko. You understand him? Because, guys, and she is the last wife.